guys, Team Terry here.
Hi, we're on the road again. Travel day today. Got a couple errands to do, get a phone. And then we're heading to some friends in Carmel. And we're going to do some Moochdocking.
Some friendly Moochdocking, that is.
Hopefully they'll let us do some filming there. All right.
Hey, we'll catch you later.
In 700 feet, slide left on Portland Road, US 1, and then keep to the right at 350 feet.
Right, you're correct. So we went grocery shopping and we look out and look, there's another RV parked next to us. Got it. So it says you see all these moose sightings, but we have not seen a moose. We've seen a turkey, a dead porcupine, a deer,
Raccoon.
and a dead raccoon.
And a lot of main license plates.
There's their beautiful fifth wheel. What didn't work?
Okay, Google. Can I help you? Not helping at all?
Wow, look at this.
I mean, she's in here, so.
Oh my goodness. That's the living room up there.
Yeah, that's my living room.
Wow.
And those all open up to full-size beds.
Wow.
Donuts, that's another thing they buy when they get up here, is those donuts.
Look at the color. I love that.
I do too. I do too.
Look at the backsplash.
Oh, wow. That's a pink.
Yeah, pink. Yeah, come on in. Pink.
Awesome. LED
Oh,
light.
wow. I don't know if Dave will fit in here. Oh my gosh. Just sitting here having a campfire.
Yeah.
So we're here at Pam and Llew's house in Carmel, Maine, and this is our spot. Isn't it beautiful? We even have power. And there's a pool. And here's the deck. That's called a smoke tree.
It worked.
And here comes Dave. He's coming out. Isn't it beautiful here?
It is beautiful.
And they have some goats over here.
God's country.
What town is this, Lou?
This is Skowhegan, Maine.
You just don't like the taste? Or you don't
That's a
want it
lobster
tasted?
roll.
You don't, have you?
I smell something.
Wow. down the river?
Yeah.
Did he ride them down or?
Yeah. A lot of them.
I used to see that. People doing that. Like movies and stuff.
They're down there,
That's
down the point.
What's that, a road down there?
yeah. It's out there. A lot of stuff in there. You'll see it next time we go up.
Look at that.
I thought they were right down the road a little bit.
I did too, but I don't think they are.
Still didn't get there. Yeah.
They're big giants.
Big they are. Keep your eye out though. You never know if you see deer and moose.
Still walking. They might be close.
Yeah, we'll be able to hear it, won't we?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's great. That
Oh my
is
God.
so
Yeah.
good. I know. I'm glad we took it. Get up here. Oh shit, we float them right up.
Putting that thing up. I'm sure we're on camera somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
No, don't pick up any hitchhikers.
I'm sorry, you gotta give us,
Pick up anybody.
you gotta give us more than that. Here, I'm gonna get out a minute.
Oh. Unbelievable.
Wild raspberries. You're picking wild raspberries.
Find any?
Yep.
Now show it to me. There's the wild raspberries. Yummy.
No, no. What lake is this?
I don't know. Yeah, I do. Anthony's Road, so I don't know.
It's gonna be pretty close to camp. Take one of
Yeah. You take the other, and you take one, and we'll be all set.
What's that?
Sticky like a.
Yeah, did you touch it?
Yeah.
Leave it to Lou.
Hey, one.
The colleges come and they take the bugs off and they turn and see what kinds in the air and everything.
Yeah.
Cornell University, where we're from.
Yeah, look at the things that we just come from.
I know, but I think they go for miles and miles and miles.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's beautiful.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye.